Why did the Galaxy Z Fold 6 catch my interest, and why was I mistaken? When I first saw the cover display on the Z Fold 6, I immediately noticed Samsung made the same mistake they did with previous Galaxy foldables by making a taller cover display similar to its predecessor, but when I looked into the details, I discovered some interesting things that changed my opinion of the Z Fold 6. Although it is not wider, they did change the cover display. They removed the annoying bezel on the side, mostly due to the hinge, which appears to be a bit old now. With that out of the way, the Z Fold 6 receives symmetrical bezels, making the Z4 the first Galaxy foldable to receive them. Even more interestingly, this also makes one of the best-looking foldable phones on the market due to its sharp boxier design and flat cover display with all four sides equal. The size, on the other hand, offers you a more premium feel since they are now flat and easier to hold. These are some of the design aesthetics I enjoyed about the Z Fold 6. Although most people bother with the hinge on Fold 6, and honestly I'm totally fine with it, as when we start using inner display you barely even notice, and being an affordable phone the hinge has to be there, but foldable hinge structure can increase the visibility or reduce it, and that's why OnePlus Open Phone is better because of having a different hinge design. The reason for choosing the Galaxy Foldable is not only availability, but also how software is optimized with the Z Fold 6, and there are few to no issues with the software, though there was a guy who shared his experience with the OnePlus Open, and he had a couple of issues with app opening and crashing. The one wish I had when I saw the cameras was that Samsung would update them. They did, but only the design, not the internals. This is not the best camera system we have on a $2,000 phone. If you want one, the S24 Ultra is still a better option for phone, as we have the same 50MP main shooter, 12MP ultra-wide, and a 10MP telephoto sensor. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe. Peace out.